Today I'm going to show you how to get consistent character models in Midjourney. Now this is really useful if you need to be redesigning the same character over and over again but in different positions or with different facial expressions. So first of all, here's what you want to do. You want to type out the thing that you want to have made. So for example here I wrote a blue cartoon monster. Now as the second prompt you need to put multiple poses and expressions. It's important this goes second because the weight on it is added, so it's going to do that. And after that, you can add any other details you want. I put flat, simple, children's book style, now outline. Now it's going to create something like this. So from here, you need to pick your favorite one. I think I picked this one here, the top one. I then upscaled it and it gave me this. So I then saved, imaged and downloaded it. Now I went into Google and went on to upscale media. I added the image into here and basically I come down to here. I changed the upscale to 4x and I downloaded the image. This just makes it a lot higher quality. And the reason you need that is because you're going to be zooming in a little bit. So now that we've got this image downloaded with high quality, we're going to open up Photoshop. And inside Photoshop, here's what we want to do. We want to take this base image here and we want to go over each of the different models. So we select it like this and we're going to right click, make sure we're selecting the layer it's on, right click, layer via copy. And that's going to create a layer with that individual monster on it. If I clicked and dragged, I can move over here. So now what I want to do is right click on the layer and quick export as PNG. Now, you want to save this into a file and you want to do this with every single monster on the screen. All of them. Now, as you can see, I've already done this. I only did this with 5 of them. Now, you want to go back into Midjourney. And you want to paste, you want to click and drag from your computer. You want to click and drag them into Discord. It's very easy, just select them all and do this like that. You want to do it into the Midjourney bot so that you get links for them. Now, here's what you want to do. You want to do /imagine. And you want to right click on each of them. So right click, copy link, paste it in here and put a comma after it. Now get the next one. Copy link, paste it into here. Now, what you're doing, you do this for all of them. What you're doing here is you're training the bot to understand that you need it to look like these. You're forcing it to do that. Once you've done that, once you put all of these links in afterwards, you want to go back to your original prompt, which was this here. You want to copy that, and you want to paste that after the thing. So at this point, you would have /imagine. You'd have all your links, and then you'd have this afterwards. Now, where we originally had multiple poses and expressions, we want to put what you want it to look like. So in my case, I put a blue cartoon monster, sad. So I wanted him to look sad. Press enter, and this is going to generate this like this. And see, we've got him sad here. We've got a few different variations of it. Now, mine aren't super consistent, and that's because I only used 5 of these. So to get it more consistent, make sure you use all 9 of them. Now, what you can do from here, every time you want to generate a new variation, you can just copy this here, and you can do /imagine, paste it in here, and just change this thing here. So if I wanted him angry, I can paste that in there, and that's going to generate that. You can see it pops up here first, which is just telling you that it's got the images, and then it's going to generate and make an angry face of it. So that's how you do it. This is really useful if you are designing a book or video game character or whatever you're doing. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.